In this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how much YouTube paid me with 10,000 subscribers. Also, I'm giving away $250 to one lucky subscriber to help you start your YouTube channel as well. So all you have to do to enter is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, like the video, and then comment down below why you wanna start a YouTube channel. I will pin the winning comment once it's chosen. Now, as a quick disclaimer, how much somebody makes on YouTube can vary drastically. It heavily depends on how many views that YouTuber is getting per month and what type of content they make. It has literally nothing to do with how many subscribers they actually have. Also, when I was first starting out, I used to watch these videos all the time, so please do not skip to the end. I really recommend watching the full video because there are a lot of valuable pivots that I did make with my content over this year that can definitely help you out as well. Now, if you didn't know, YouTubers are paid from the ads that are ran in our videos from the YouTube Partner Program. Recently though, YouTube did update the requirements that you need to actually get into the YouTube Partner Program, and I want to share them with you right now. So to enter the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 hours of watch time over a 12-month period or 10 million shorts views over the last 90 days. Personally, I think 10 million views on shorts in the last 90 days is kind of egregious, if I'm being honest, but it is what it is. Okay, so now that we got all of that out of the way, I'm gonna pull up my YouTube analytics and walk you through my revenue month by month. Okay, so at the beginning of the year, it's January, right? I was super pumped. I was like every other YouTuber saying like, yo, this is gonna be my year. I'm about to hit 100K. And my strategy at the beginning was really going like doubling down on shorts, okay? And the revenue for January was $424.79. My best performing video was how to market your clothing brand. This has been doing very, very well on my channel, even still to today, spoiler alert, okay? How to run Facebook ads was doing well. You know, how to create merch for your YouTube channel, 5 best YouTube channels to start. So these videos were all doing very, very well. And I really only uploaded one long form video, and that was on January 5th. Shout out to all the noobs out there. And my highest performing day was January 11th, and I made $20. And like I said, I was really, really pumped for this year. And I was posting a lot of shorts. I think I posted like, I don't even know how many shorts, at least like 20 something shorts in January. And I thought, you know, that was gonna be the route I should go, okay? And so that was January. So in February, I made $416.31. My RPM was $21.67, and my CPM was $38.84. And again, you know, the highest performing video was how to market your clothing brand, run Facebook ads. Everything was about the same. How to market your Shopify store got into the top 5 that month. And it looks like, you know, I'm still doubling down on shorts. Nothing really changed there really. How many videos? I uploaded 3 videos I think this month. You know, so I wasn't really uploading a whole lot, you know, in February. Even though I was super pumped for the year, it looks like I still wasn't uploading a lot. So let's move on to March. Okay, in March, I made $598.38. My RPM was $24.80. My CPM was $46.73, okay? And as you can see, how to market your clothing brand is still holding strong, right? How to run Facebook ads is doing good. The secret to billionaire wealth. That is a really good video that's done well. That started to pick up at the beginning of the year, pretty much talking about life insurance. I did like a really cool like Q&A session with one of my good friends from FAMU, so definitely check out that video if you're interested. How to market your Shopify store credit. So the top 5 was still relatively the same. And it looks like, you know, my fire at the beginning of the year kind of fell off, right? I didn't post a lot. I posted like 3 videos maybe. but I definitely didn't post a lot of long form, but I did make $598. So, you know, I was very happy about that in March. Okay, so in April, I made $730.41. My RPM was $27.57 and my CPM was $50. Now, as you can see, my CPMs are really, really high, okay? That is not typical for a lot of channels. But I'm definitely thankful for. As you can see, the top 5 has changed a little bit. How to market your clothing brand is still 10,000, not 10,000, but still at 265. The 5 best ways to market your Shopify store actually brought in $100. And then as you can see, how to run Facebook ads, secret to billionaire wealth, how to market your Shopify store. So this is where I really started to pivot my channel, okay? Before I was talking about YouTube and a lot of that stuff, but honestly, those videos weren't working very well for me. And I started talking about more digital marketing things. Because if you're new to my channel, I talk about, you know, media buying, so Facebook ads, you know, e-commerce, drop shipping, marketing, how to market your Shopify store. I'm probably going to drop some how to market, you know, Etsy, stuff like that. But I started talking about more of digital marketing things instead of just specifically YouTube, because I found that it was very, very hard to gain traction for those videos. So I definitely pivoted here. And especially when I saw the success with, you know, the 5 ways to market your Shopify store, I definitely started to lean more into the digital marketing, you know, marketing type of videos for, you know, those type of content, because people really liked it. So I was like, man, I'm starting to see the money, right? I'm close to 1,000. So I'm like, yo, I need to start to pivot. And so I recommend the same thing for your channel. If you've already started or you're starting, like if you're noticing like you've made these videos for a while and you made 20, 30 videos and they haven't really taken off, then you might want to go outside of that niche a little bit. Or go a little bit broader. And, you know, I started to see it working for me, okay? So in May, I made $716.68, RPM 29, CPM 48. And as you can see here, the top 5, you know, hasn't really changed. You know, how to market your clothing brand is still doing the best. 5 best ways to market your Shopify store is doing even better. So I'm very, very happy with the performance, but I didn't really upload a lot in May, you guys. Like, I uploaded 3 times. So, you know, goes to show that when you have good videos, they hold weight, right? But yeah, I didn't really upload a lot in May at all. So in June, I made $865.78, RPM 30, CPM 50. And the same top 5, you guys, like, how to promote your Shopify store on TikTok snuck into the top 5. And I want to see, did I post that video this month? I might have. Yes, I posted that on June 12th. Highest day was a $42 day. I was super excited. More shorts. How to launch a Shopify store, how to run Facebook ads, right? So I started to upload a little bit more, but I was still uploading maybe once a week, if that. So I uploaded like 4 main videos. But I was very, very happy with the revenue. So in July, I almost hit $1,000, and this was very, very motivating for me. I was super, super excited, but my RPM and CPM pretty much stayed steady around $28 and $50. Still uploading a good amount of shorts here. And I uploaded 1 video here, 1 video here. So still about 4 videos in the month, but you know, how to market your clothing brand was still doing very, very well. 5 best ways to market your Shopify store, doing good. Facebook ads. So my Facebook ad videos have been doing well. And then it looks like the secret to billionaire wealth, you know, the life insurance video was starting to fall out of the top 5. But this is where I was like, man, my content is really working. I almost had 1,000. It's lit, right? So August was the first month I cracked over $1,000. I made $1,375.28 and $34 RPM, $59 CPM. And so how to market your clothing brand was doing even better, right? So I made $475. The 5 best ways to market your Shopify store is now making $333. Facebook ads, doing good. Another Facebook ad video, and how to promote your Shopify store. So the marketing videos were all killing it, right? And so as you can see, in August, I was still uploading a lot of shorts. You know, how to run YouTube ads. I dropped this video, then how to run TikTok ads, best way to retarget Facebook ads. So I was definitely uploading more content. This month I definitely uploaded, I think 5 videos in August because I felt really inspired, right? And so this was a month I was like, man, I really need to double down on this content thing. In September, I made $1,376.85. So around the same amount of money as I did the previous month. So I uploaded some shorts. I still only uploaded 3 main, if that. I don't even think I uploaded 3 videos this month. Yeah, I uploaded 2 videos in September. So not a lot of videos. But as you can see, how to run your TikTok ads kind of snuck into the top 5. So that video did very, very well. Did I upload that? I uploaded that the previous month. So yeah, so that's doing well. And then as you can see, the top 2 videos are still holding strong. And this is where I tell you, like, if you can get a good video, I think I uploaded how to market your clothing brand in 2021. So for over a year, this video has been the #1 video on my channel. So if you can get one good video out that lasts, you know, 2 to 3 years, like, it's worth it. So take your time, create good content, okay? Really know your target audience. But again, another over $1,000 month in September. I was extremely, like, elated, ecstatic, all the synonyms you can think of. You know what I mean? I was very, very happy to make that amount of money. So in October, I made $1,938.80. My RPM went up. So it was $46.42 and my CPM was $76.65. So I uploaded a lot of short form video in October because I was like, man, if I can make $1,300, I know I can make $2,000, right? So super motivated. And so I uploaded a lot of short form videos last month. And I got out more regular videos. So I think I posted at least like 4 or 5 videos for last month. So I got a lot more videos out because I was super, super motivated. Okay. And as you can see, my CPM is up. And then my top 5 best ways to market your Shopify store went up. Right. So now this video has made me $619 for this month. How to market your clothing brand actually fell second. And then how to run TikTok ads was at 173, how to promote. So as you can see, all the Shopify TikTok marketing videos have been doing very, very well and has really pushed up my CPMs, okay? And so for where I'm at for this month of November, excuse me, today is the 15th. And so I have made thus far $1,111.41. And my highest performing video right now is the 5 best ways to market your clothing brand. And still the same top 5 as before. And I actually hit my highest day yesterday at $115.73. That's the most money I've made on YouTube in one day. So hopefully the next time I make this video, I'm making $3,000 a month or $4,000 a month. And that's super, super exciting. So how much I've made so far in 2022, I have made $10,534.79 with an RPM of $32 and a CPM of $55. So I've made 5 figures on YouTube with 10,000 subscribers. So that's kind of cool. Like, to think that I've made an extra $10,000 on YouTube thus far this year. And I'm very, very thankful for this money. I'm very, very thankful for everybody that watches. So I really, really appreciate the support. And the highest grossing video thus far has made me $3,049 with the $491, excuse me, for how to market your clothing brand. And then 5 best ways to market your Shopify store has come into second. So yeah, this is super, super dope. Now, if you're super motivated and inspired, I recommend that you check out this video right here where I'll show you the 5 best YouTube channels you should start right now.